What do you see, Jake?
Boots.
Balloons? Wow. They're on your chair so that you can eat with them tonight.
Yeah. It's pretty cool, huh?
Say,
Look,
it's
there's-
your birthday.
Cars balloon.
Oh,
It says happy birthday.
no.
Yeah.
No.
Mater. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh. Oh. He's like, has this fascination / fear of balloons.
It's only a matter of time before he's laying on the ground, hiding from them.
In the protective position. Yeah, there we go. Pretty cool, huh? He's like half ready to run, but still like, okay, but I'll keep hitting you
Yeah.
until you come after me. Blah, 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 blah. See?
Oh, there he goes.
He's protected.
You okay, Jake?
It's
Riley's
okay.
there by your side, huh?
Yeah, Riley will protect you. Don't grab it. Not if you grab his toes.
you grab him.
Riley.